Tired of networking events and small talk? Wish your business could make money while you're recharging on the couch? Here are 7 passive income ideas for introverts who'd rather stay behind the scenes. 1. Create digital products. Think ebooks, templates, or courses. Make them once, sell them forever. No camera needed. 2. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love and earn a commission. It's like being a digital tastemaker, but without the pressure. 3. Start a blog. Write articles on topics you know well. With solid SEO, your words work for you round the clock. 4. Print on demand. Design t-shirts or mugs. When someone buys one, a third party prints and ships it. You just collect the profit. 5. Start a faceless YouTube channel. Create videos using screen recordings, stock footage, or AI animations. Monetize with ads as your audience grows. 6. Stock photography. Sell your photos online. Your art earns you money, and you don't have to talk to anyone. 7. Create a niche subscription box. Curate a monthly box for a specific hobby. Automate the process and let the boxes speak for themselves. These ideas prove you don't have to be the star of the show to build a successful, profitable business. Now, which of these sounds like the perfect next project for you? Comment below and let me know.